There we go. Think we on now. There we go. Check the stream audio. We good? We good? That, not sure why it's like that, to be honest. But fuck it. What up, y'all? What up, family? How you all doing? It's been a while. I'm gonna start hopefully loading back up content here on my channel. It's been a while. Taking a break. Um Much needed break. Been doing some other business ventures here, you know, trying to up my financial life, right? 'Cause you can't just have one stream of income. And I was just living off of trading for a while, and you always gotta up your streams of income, right? Or else it's just like working a job, basically. You get a job, you have one stream of income, you still struggle, right? Not that I was struggling. I've been traveling and living off of trading, but you know, it only gets you so far, and you definitely need multiple streams of income. It's no shame. Everybody, I think that's something that everybody should strive towards. Bettering yourself financially. But anyway, I'm gonna try and start uploading more content to this channel. I just started uh, another YouTube channel. Be doing live reactions. Usually stream on that channel every day. Um, we'll be doing live reactions and insightful content. How you can up yourself, up your money, up your game, up your personality, um, and all of that fun stuff. So, yeah, I mean, it's been a journey. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, and I definitely want to get back to posting content on this channel for you guys. I know you guys ask me questions, and you know, when you're trying to do other business ventures, it's kind of hard to maintain everything in your life. So I think time off is very good for everybody. It's as long as it's not too long, like me. I took way longer. I took off way longer than I needed to from posting content. Still trading, still making money trading. Been doing good on that, but I just thought, you know what? Fuck it. I'll do a live session this morning. Try to do a live New York session every morning. Um, and if I don't do a live session, then I mean it'll be the next day, obviously. But the reason I got on here this morning, I think we had some news. Let me see here. So we had some news today. Let me see what we got. I posted in my chat here, which I'll drop a link of my chat here in the description. But we had uh, what is it? Purchasing Managers Index this morning on the sorry, and the pound. So let's see what we got. We're just gonna take a look and see, what things looking like. Let's see. Hope you guys can hear me because I'm new to this. I'm new to this OBS system right here. So hopefully you guys can bear with me here. My battery is gonna die as well. That's fantastic. There we go. I think we're back. I think we're back here. So, mind you guys, this is my first couple streams on here, so bear with me. I'm still learning. I'm still learning this streaming format, this streaming platform, and it'll only get better from here. So bear with me. Uh, we're just gonna chill. We're gonna have fun on this stream. Nothing serious. I probably won't be on here very long. My computer, I guess, is gonna die, and just like everybody else, I got shit to do later in the day. But let's take a look here. So there was supposedly news on the euro at 2:15, 2:30, and GBP had some news at 3:30 a.m. So if we look at this, right, let's go back to the daily here. And on this daily time frame here, we can see, right, we had previous month's high. Here was the previous month's low down at 995, right? So we could be expecting some type of volatility or manipulation around this area in specifically around this area. You can see here there was a strong push. This candle engulfed this last down candle, and you see right here 230 we had news. We had that push to the upside on this news right here during this purchasing managers index, the German flash services. So we see this push to the upside. Boom, right there. That gives us our direction. I swear, it's not that hard to understand these markets. It's really not that hard. So you see this, right? And we're trading under the previous month's low right here. So it's not that hard to understand. Oh, sorry. It's not that hard to understand that we're in a volatile demand area right here. Okay, bet. All right. So, I mean, you can see, boom, we got that push to the upside, right? Now let's go to the five. Let's see what the five looks like. So you can clearly see, I'm gonna have to plug my computer in. I'll be right back. Hold on, give me a second. I'll be right back. All right, I had to get that plugged in, or else it's really gonna die. But anyway, so news comes around. We see 2 o'clock, 2:30, boom, huge push to the upside, right? Huge push to the upside on the 5 minute, giving us, indication. This is our hint right here. Where's that last down? Where's that last sell off before this big push to the upside? Right here, correct? Okay, cool. So let's say we have a projected area of where price might retrace to then give us a continuation. But here's the thing, you can use a Fibonacci on this as well, from the low to the high, right? So low to the high. We see this red line, 50% equilibrium, and um, usually when price trades around, let me tell you something about equilibrium. So when price trades around the equilibrium, it might dip a little lower, and if it's the correct move, it will give you some type of rejection, some type of volatile push back to the upside. So always think equilibrium, let it dip a little bit lower, and it'll give you your move that you're looking for. If it's the right move, if you're trading in line with the big players, right? So if you keep that in mind, your chances of winning more trades will significantly increase, and you're gonna see that money come in return. So we see a couple rejections here, right? Dip under equilibrium, reject, dip under equilibrium, reject, dip under equilibrium, reject. And what happens? Finally, we get that impulse to the upside that we would have been waiting for after seeing, let me delete that, after seeing this. Now, what did I post in my chat here? Look at what I posted in my chat. So I was saying after Tuesday, right, we might get some great opportunities to capitalize on the aftermath of the news. And that's all it is, right? There's people that are buying and selling and buying and selling trying to predict the news. They don't understand that you don't predict the news. You don't predict what these guys are doing. You let them do it, and then you follow suit. You don't predict what they're going to do. You let them do what they're going to do, and you follow suit on it. It's that simple. So, news on the euro here, say we could have bought right there. I mean, there's 100 pip gain right there, right? So, it's a pretty simple move, honestly. Now, let's look at GBP. It gives us the same thing. So, look, back on the daily, back on the daily or the 4 hour, right? We had previous month's high right here. Previous month's high. What is this box? Oh, I think it's a weekly. Okay, so look, I'm expecting before we get into um, the news explanation, I want to explain this right here. So we had a rejection from this last buying candle until we got that broken structure over here, right? So you see this candle dips down, comes back up, closes, we get a bullish candle and then a bearish engulfing candle, which breaks previous structure. Simple. And what does price do? Comes back up to that area, creates that previous month high. At the start of the next month, we get a stop hunt on that month's high. Excuse me. We get that stop hunt. We get that stop hunt on the previous month's high, which was right here. Look, July 29th. Boom, we go into August 1st on the next day. So August 1st, boom, bullish candle. Take that liquidity, previous month high. We come down. This is barely engulfing, but it is what it is. Um, and we get that retest again on the previous month's high. But now look at where we're at, right? We've traded down from the previous month's high, 500 pips, back down to the swing low where the previous month's low was, July 14th. Now look at what reaction we've already gotten in a day, today, on the 23rd. Look at this, right? Look at all this respect. Look at all this respect right here. Look, wick, close. Wicks, close. Long wick, close above. Wick, close above the previous month's low. So let's see. Right now, this isn't as clear as the euro. So whatever you trade, if you trade GBP, it really wasn't as clear as what the euro was given. But what time was GBP news? 3:30 a.m. See, so news was right around here on this. But if we look at what the euro, why do I keep saying euro? Euro, the euro had German flash manufacturing and flash services, right? What does that mean? German, GBP, the pound, right? And you can see right here when that 230 hit, we get that push to the upside. So even on the dollar, yeah, see, yeah. On the dollar, right, we get that opposite. So boom, push to the downside, retracement, expansion. Same thing. Identically opposite. Identically opposite. So GBP, the euro and the dollar would have gave away what the pound is gonna do. So since there's not really any clear moves, right? This is what we have to do. So from the low to the high, right? You see price start dipping back under equilibrium, and it doesn't dip any lower. Like they're still respecting equilibrium, but you see a push back to the upside that gives you a decent um, buying opportunity right here. So if you were trading London, you waited and then you woke up, or not trading London, sorry. If you let London session do its manipulation with the news, like I explained in my chat, right? You don't have to force trades on the news. It's silly. Like forcing anything in your life is silly. So why would you do it in your trading? Makes no sense. Audio good? Yeah, makes no sense. So there's that move. 100 pips on the euro, 100 plus pips on GBP, and I was in a trade on this, and if you damn, that's beautiful right there. That is beautiful right there. So let me pull this up. What trade was it? Oh yeah, right here. Go get y'all some sparkling water. Curbs your appetite, suppresses your appetite, your hunger. Because I don't usually eat breakfast in the morning, so coffee and some sparkling water is what I go to in the morning. Fun fact. But anyway, you see right here the Euro GBP from swing high to swing low, right? There we go. There we go. All right. Anyway, back to this right here. So I have price. I don't have the equilibrium line on this. Kind of when you get experienced, you kind of just know where equilibrium is. I mean, it's obvious. It's 50% right under the 62. It's obvious. You don't need it every time. But I have predicted price would get back up into this area and give me a rejection. And let's see here. We have that trade right here for those people that uh, you know like to see full results. You guys always want to hate on traders, but people that have full results, there's the trade right here. 50 pips, I got out. Um, I was predicting this to go down here, but I knew that there was news. coming today, and I was just like, 50 pips. I'm up a bag right now. I'm gonna take my money. Fuck it. I'm gonna take my money. So what we have, right? Predicted price, high to swing low. Put that Fibonacci there. Wait for price to come up above equilibrium so we can, we can catch our position. And that's what happened here. So right now, this is, if I was still in this trade right now, this would be around 70 pips. But you can see right here, let's go to the 5 minute. You can see right here, like news was everywhere this morning on this pair here. But the overall direction still remained the same. The overall direction still remained the same. So, you know, this is why I only trade these pairs because three of them correlate, and this one, follows suit more to. It's kind of hard to explain. It's kind of hard to explain. Um, I have a chart somewhere. I don't know where it's at. I'm not going to take the time to find it right now. But it has a correlation chart between the euro, the pound, the euro pound, and the dollar. Maybe next stream, tomorrow, I'll find it. I think it's in my chat. I'll drop a link in the description below of my new chat. You guys can join that. But anyway, yeah, trading's easy, folks. Trading is easy. And so let me see here. On another trade that I had, Euro NOK, one of my favorite exotic pairs. I'm really lagging, huh? I'm really lagging on the stream. It's all good. First stream, guys. First stream. We're gonna have more of these. I'm gonna have better quality. I promise. I'm gonna be dropping more content on this channel. I might even actually just do live streams on this channel. Um, that way you guys can conversate with me and stuff like that. Uh, there's a chat. You guys can feel free to type, say hello, whatever y'all want to do. Don't matter to me. Um, you know, I I've been neglecting my channel. You guys have been asking me questions and stuff like that. And I try to respond to everybody. I do. I really do try to respond to everybody, but it gets, um, so some of the business ventures that I've been taking. Let me just give an update on that, I guess. Um, I have been dabbling into programming, copywriting, and uh, kind of like selling link products. Um, so like, and the link product one is really stressful. I don't really like doing it because you have to do it through Facebook, and I don't really get on Facebook a lot. But you have to create like business pages, manager pages, um, drop link pages, all this shit that is just like it's really boring. But um, when somebody does click on a link and buys a product from another business, right? Like I promote other people's products and businesses. I get a good check from it. I get a good payment from it. So I'm not complaining. Sometimes there's shit that you just got to do in life, and it is what it is. And then, surveys. I'll do a couple surveys a week. And yeah, if you guys look at my chat here, I did post things right here. Here's something, easy ways to make $100 every day. I got a bunch of links, that you guys can look through, sort through, find something that you would like, something that would be exciting for you to learn, right? Because let's be honest, man, a lot of jobs out here, they don't require um, necessarily like full life skills. I mean, anybody can work at McDonald's. Anybody can work in a warehouse driving a forklift. Anybody can do that shit, So it doesn't have a high skill cap. It has a low skill floor. And you want to increase your ceiling. You want to increase your ceiling so you so other people can find that value that you bring to the table. So it's very important to me. And I already know how to trade. You guys already know that I know how to trade. And, I took a little bit of time off from educating other people just so I can, you know, work work on my finances. Hope you are well, sir. I am. Whoever this is might be in the live right now. I hope you're doing well too. Hope you're doing well too. Um, But anyway, let's get back to this, and then I'm gonna hop off here, get my workout in. So Euro NOK, this was my setup here on the Norwegian krone, one of my favorite pairs. Um, and one of the reasons why I like this exotic specifically is because the pip count, the I found the pip count of um, the krone. It's not like the other exotics. Like you could talk about the peso, the fluctuation between the peso and the dollar. It's like 2 cents per pip or something, or it's confusing. It's confusing for a lot of people. So the Norwegian krone has regular pip count, like 50 pips is 50 pips. It shows it on the thing. So let's look at this setup here. It's very beautiful. So let me get that 1 hour. God damn, look at that. So, I mean, same setup every time, guys. Same setup every time. Minor, broken structure here. We get a huge push to the downside. That huge expansion to the downside, boom. Already got my bias. I already have my bias, right? Expansion, contraction, retracement, expansion, right? If I think I think ICT has a video out on the four elements of trading. You go check that out. I also explain that in some of my videos on my channel. Um, but if you can learn these four elements of trading, it's going to help you out a lot in understanding structure as well. So here's the setup: expansion, contraction, consolidation, whatever you want to call it, retracement, expansion, right? So there's the before and here's after. So price dips up there. I was a seller in these areas and I got out actually at this low here. So I had made 92 pips. 92 pips. Really damn good. That's a bag right there. But this has gone 192 pips, ironically. 100 pips more. And one thing, you know, you can sit there and be like, oh, I wish I would have held this trade, or you know what I mean? Like, but that's the thing about trading is you can have predictions like this that are beautiful, and you don't know. Like, you don't know if it's gonna pass this. You have an idea that it will, but I was 100% certain that we were gonna get from this high and clear out this low. I mean, that's just um, inevitable. Like that's how the market works a lot of the times. So, uh, but yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing a live stream on this channel. Um, if not every day, um, I will definitely be doing live streams a couple times a week on this channel. I know I need to get back to uploading and you know, giving you guys that content for you to learn, grow your own trading, and so we can all level up together. We can all get educated together and get to where we all want to get financially, right? I mean, that's the goal. That's the end goal. Get to where you want to be financially, where you can provide for your family, and also give you the lifestyle um, that you guys want and deserve. And you can't just want it either. You can't just want something. You have to fucking work for it. You have to work for it, and that's the key. Um, so yeah, it was nice seeing you guys. Nice talking to you. Um, I'm gonna post a link of my chat in the description. You guys can join that, and I'm gonna hop off here, get my workout in. I'll be streaming tomorrow, probably a little bit earlier, around 7 a.m. Central Time, somewhere around that time right there. So if you guys want to join in, um, conversate with me in the chat, ask me questions. I will answer you guys. Um, but yeah, man. Until then, you know, hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and let's get better. Peace out, family.